Well, hanging out down here at the 2025 Bloomsburg 4Wheel Jamboree, it wouldn't be fair if I didn't take you guys for a walk through the monster truck pits. So if you are new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you guys stay posted when we do truck related videos or car show related videos. And you can also follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And check out down the links down in the description below. But what do you say we go for a walk around the pits here and get up close and personal with these monster trucks?
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done. Girls with their girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done.
So there was a little walk around of the pits down here, of the monster trucks at the 2025 four-wheel drive Jamboree. So just to give you a little closer look at what the trucks look like and what's all it takes to build something like that or to race. The tires are huge on it. As you've seen in the beginning, I put a little bit of the tire sign. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're new, smash down on that like, comment, and subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell, and if we didn't win your subscription in this video, well, maybe in the next one we will. Till next time, I'm Joe, driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabz.